Still so sleepy, and it's already time to go to work. And so my day begins. I work in a place where we bake fresh breads and make delicious coffee. We make sure to add a little smile in our customers' face before they leave and ride the train.
Cappuccino. Let's go. Alsjeblieft. Paardendappel. Hele fijne dag.
You know, I can only show bits of my workplace due to privacy matter. Another work day done, and it's time to go home. I've been waiting for this package for a while now. There was actually a time where I forgot about it. The products were from Korea, Japan, and Taiwan, and so it took quite a while to be delivered here in the Netherlands. I was already thinking about summer when I ordered this sunstick during winter time. Definitely a must for my skincare routine. Because K-drama made me buy this, and my skin is happy to have them. I actually bought this without having on AirPods yet. But guess what? My husband surprised me for Valentine's Day. And when Mr. Avocado arrived, it fits perfectly. What can I say? They really are worth the wait. And let's not forget about the freebies.